Windows Photo Viewer comes in handy when we have to preview a photo or slightly edit it, or to delete a bunch of photos. My favorite feature is Slideshow, which allows a full screen preview of all the photos. But for some reasons, in the latest updates of Windows 10, the Windows Photo Viewer is disabled, which forced the users to use the new Photos app, which eats up more RAM, especially in low-end species. Hi viewers, I am Rohit. So in this video, I'm gonna tell you how to get it back. First step is to download Ultimate's Windows Tweaker app by hitting this blue download button, and it's only 679 KB. By the way, link is available in the description. Wait for it to download. After downloading, you can see the zip folder that says uwt4.zip. Open it using WinRar. Open the folder and click on Ultimate Windows Tweaker.exe to run it. Now a window pops up. Click on yes and it opens a window. Go to Additional. Select Enable Windows Photo Viewer. A notification appears saying success. And that's it. Enjoy your Windows Photo Viewer app. Also, if you guys didn't have WinRar app, the download link is in description. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any queries, comment below. Thank you.